We ain't worried about no haters, period. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra, but you can go ahead and call your girl T. Here on my channel, you will find hair and makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. If you like all these things and more, please take the time to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that bell notification down below. I decided to do just a get ready with me chit chat video, nothing too serious. I didn't even have a look in mind, so this was all put together as we went. We love a good improvise. It's a blown out look, not much eyeliner, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this look. Okay, lids are primed. I'm not really sure what look I'm doing. I know like what colors I'm doing, but I am not like 100% sure on what type of look I want to do. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys. I feel like it's been a grip. Like, what's been going on with the world out here? I did have a couple of things. I did like a little poll and people were asking. This is gonna be more of some life things than like me talking about like celebrities, which I can always get it on them. But so someone asked me to speak on how I gained confidence and how did I get confidence? I have so much, blah blah blah, and I'm just like, wow, okay, this is something I can do because she was definitely a little bit younger. And I wish that I would have had someone to like kind of tell me, what I should and should have been doing, because people are mean and you just have to get over that. Like, confidence within yourself, it is just in that statement, like it's literally within yourself. So I think the first thing you have to do is like really come to terms with what you look like, what you can change, what you can't change. Learn to really love yourself for who you are, because if not, anything that people say or you, I guess, like on social media and things like that, it's gonna get to you. Because if you're not comfortable in your own skin, if you're not like, I'm the baddest there is, who can stop me, then like who else is going to do it for you, And I think that's where it started from. I mean, obviously everyone, I feel like, has moments of like body dysmorphia and things like that, where you're just like, oh, I don't like this. You have like so much pressure as a woman to look a certain type of way. And you have to also realize that like you're not about to be everyone's cup of tea. Like, everybody's ugly to someone. Like, okay, if I'm ugly to you, keep it pushing, period. I actually have no idea what type of look I'm doing, so let's just roll with the punches. I kind of have the color scheme that I want, but like I don't have like a actual color in mind. Like, I don't have an actual look in mind. So you cannot even, I think that like some people believe in like faking it till you make it, and I think that that's like cool if you're concerned about like what others think of you. But I think part of having confidence is like kind of really getting out of that mode and not caring what other people think. Like, I would say like around like, I think for the most part of my life I haven't cared too much about what people think. But like when I really became my own person and came into my own at like 2021, and then I really like was like, I literally am not addressing this. Like, I don't care what's being said. Like, I just don't care. You know what I mean? And once I really just got comfortable in my own skin, it's just like Big Sean, like, stopping me, huh? Who's stopping me? Who's stopping me? Like, I wake up every day like, I'm that chick because you're supposed to. And there's a fine line between having like confidence and like, really being into yourself, and then like being arrogant. I don't like arrogant people. So okay, this is cute. Need a little dimension, but right now it's looking a little cute. I think I'm gonna do a blown out look because that's what started. Yeah, so if I could break that down into like a non-cliche like steps to more confidence, I think the first step is being comfortable in your own body, in your own skin, your own person, to not seeking validation from others, because Why do we care about others that much? I think that like anything more than 10% is unhealthy. Like that's the most that you should care about people, period. If you're not my boss, you're not paying my bills, you're not taking care of me, like take that with a grain of salt. I'm running late for brunch and I'm picking people up, so another thing that they want to talk about is like what I do, you know, addressing rumors, addressing haters, how do you deal with them? Back in the day, I used to really be clapping back on the shorties, like, but now, you know, I'm a mother of 3, like, mother Tierra cannot be out here clapping back at every person who says something wild, because I be hearing some wild stuff, and I'm just like, at this point, I just like really laugh at it, because it's just like, the people who know me, and anyone else who doesn't know me, like, you don't know me for a reason, because I don't want to get to know you, you know? So it's just like, whatever you're saying about me, there's really no way you can know these things, because like, you're not around me, you're not in my business. So it's just like, let rumors be rumors. Like, let them be rumors. Who cares? Literally, who cares? Like, nobody. Yeah, you can't let haters stop you from doing what you're doing. Like, people talk about me all the time. When I first started my YouTube in college, I actually let people stop me from doing what I wanted to do, because people would like make fun of me. And like when Yik Yak was like a thing, people were like, oh, that girl thinks she's so cool because she's on YouTube. Oh, that black girl on the dance team. Like, do not let people stop you from grinding, stop you from doing what you want to do, stop you from expressing yourself creatively because you care about what haters are gonna say. Because 9 times out of 10, they're just really unhappy with themselves and they project that on you. Like, just because you're miserable and not cute, don't put that on me, sis. Because one thing I realized is that like my biggest haters like were always checking for me. Like, you watching my videos you literally giving me views just to comment. Like, that's cute, thank you. A view is a view. You know, this is my problem child eye. It just never be looking the same on this side. And I don't know if it's my lighting or what, but this is cute. Alright, I'm gonna put a little base of... I'm actually gonna put it like on my brush. Yeah, so my advice on addressing rumors is don't address rumors. Who cares? I hear, like, when I tell y'all, people from like my hometown, especially people who I haven't seen or spoken to in like 8-10 years, be saying the craziest things about me, like that I'm like on drugs, and like I'm like, how could I be on drugs? I would be on drugs and breastfeeding my children? Like, what about the kids? People just don't like you to be successful, and you have to be okay with that and keep it pushing. Just keep it pushing. Yeah, no, but you really just don't want to invest any... Okay, so why use this much concealer? I just want a little base, you know? Heavy-handed tea. I think that like any energy that you're spending on negative things is taking away from the time that you could be spending on something that's more important. Like, flat out. Like, that's literally hindering yourself. And if anything, like anything my haters say to me, I'm like, bet. Like, you right, actually. I am gonna not be able to do this. I am gonna fail at this. Like, you got it. Because then it's just like, I'm always gonna do something to better myself, to prove things to myself. But like, I also like seeing my haters' face too. Like, let your actions, let your growth, let your success shut it all down. Because what you gonna say? What can you say whenever I did what I said I was going to do? Brush like a couple times. Go in this colored fringe. It's like such this pretty like blue green. Oh, I knew it was gonna be pretty. Oh my gosh. Yes, ma'am. If you didn't know what we were here for, we're here to serve looks. This is the look the girls asked for. The girls is me. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'm going to finish up this eye look. I just really missed my brush and just got this Juvia's Place foundation on my floor, my carpet. But you know what? That's okay. I will say this is the closest color to match me, so we're getting better. After that, I have to do my under eye, and yeah. I got pretty much most of the eye done. I just have to do the under eye, which I'm about to do with a quick swoop, swoop, doop, whoop. Sometimes I just gotta just talk and improv because this is bomb. Like, I'm gonna go in with that first brown and swoop it underneath. I'm gonna go with that darker brown now and just kind of do it right here. Okay, I'm going to line my lids. I'm not going to do a cat liner today. I'm just going to literally line both areas. Definitely just messed up, but I'm not about to fix it. That'll look like a lash when I'm, you know, done, so. Put like a little wing there. And then I'm gonna take the Marc Jacobs per usual. Mascara. Let me know what you guys think about my sound. I did get a mic that I'm still learning how to use, but I'm trying to test out some new things. If the sound sounds better, let me know. We are learning as we go, guys. Okay, going to line my lips. I'm gonna go with this Color Pop. So what do you guys think about this one? I think it's so cute. Yeah? I think it was cute. What do you guys think? Like, the girls love it. Let me know down below what you guys think about this look. Let me know if I helped any of you guys with confidence or ignoring bad energy and haters and all of that sort. Like, we don't have time for it. Everybody make sure they boss up, glow up, do what you need to do to be the best person that you personally could be. That's all that matters. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.